Hey, thanks for watching. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna walk you through how to weld the leaf spring hangers on your trailer, so this doesn't happen to you. One of the weak points in this whole system is just, you can see there's just not a whole lot of metal contacting here on the frame. They do have a plate right here that's welded to the frame, but this area right here can fail, and it can tweak and bend and stuff. So I'm going to put just a piece of metal right here, and I'm going to weld it on both sides, and potentially weld it right here in the top. I do have to clean this surface off because it does have some kind of paint. It does a better job if you do clean this off just with a grinder or like a piece of sandpaper or whatnot.
No, Marvin.
All right, so these plates are gonna basically mount up just like this. I'm gonna leave a little bit of room for that line. I'm just not gonna weld near it. Just gonna weld this one here, and I'm gonna weld this one right in the bottom. There we go. Ground clamp. You want to have your spray bottle close by.
this size, I've just got some little plates to weld in place here. Just gonna weld it in place just like that, and we'll see how that goes.
Finally got the welder dialed in, the right temperature and whatnot. It's amazing how much better the welds will come out. And this probably isn't totally necessary to do, but I just like to, take some precautions on welding on top of your own house, so underneath your house. So it's basically just a piece of metal that covers, just strengthens in between here to keep the shackle kind of nice and stiff, and then up top as well, 3 points of contact. Still have room underneath if I ever need to remove my leaf spring for any reason. Still got plenty of room. And now we're on to the back of the RV, back of the fifth wheel. We're going to put one more plate here. This is just a foam that somebody sprayed in here to keep anything coming into these little holes, which I will be putting some more. I've bought some more foam to spray in here. But for now, I'm going to take it off just so it doesn't burn, melt, stink. Alright, this is the actually the fourth and final one. The first two did not go in super easy because of the first time. Didn't have my welder dialed in all the way. Still has good plate on there and it's gonna be just great, but I would rather not show you guys what it looks like. Major reason for doing this is because out of all this, the way that the axle, which is this, attaches to your RV, the weakest spot in this entire system is going to be this shackle bracket right here, because all you really have is just this attached to the frame. It just ties the entire assembly together really well.
But these are the easiest to do, and they're a quick, easy fix. I'm not sure how much a shop would actually charge you to actually do this to your RV. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. If you have any questions, or if you've done this yourself, or you've had a shop do it, please comment below. Let somebody else know what your experience was. Give any kind of suggestions, or if there's a shop you own or you know of, drop it below so that somebody else can find you and get this done. Preventative maintenance is always a fantastic idea. So get out there early, get it done. It probably won't take you more than a half a day to get this done in the shop. I did this while recording, and I think it took me a total of 2 hours, but it's definitely something I would recommend doing to your trailer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Other people will find it. Thanks.